click on the image, ideally you want to have an image that has a clear distinction between the foreground color and the background color. So for this example, I can see that this background color matches closely to this color right here. So if I don't like this color, if I want to change it to something else, I can click on this color here and I can change it to a different shade of blue. Or if I want to try something different, I can also do that as well. And of course, I can come over here to add a new color and pick from these variety of different colors here. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.